Hello everyone, I am super excited to be among the agents of the month for this December. That award has just been issued not quite 30 minutes ago from the e-estate community, and I am super grateful for this kind of recognition. However, I don't just want to end here by telling you about this agent of the month award, but I just want to read out the message that was sent by the e-estate executives. So this is the information that they dropped on the official Facebook group. You can also find this information on the official Telegram group as well. So as you can see from here, this is a collage of all the people that was made the agents of the month for this December 2025. And remember, this is the top performance global results. So this is really good, and I'm super duper happy to be among the agents of the month for this December. So on my right hand side here, I said at the top, the beginning of it, that I am super proud to be on the list of the agent of the month in e-estate. Today marks an important milestone, exactly 6 months since the e-estate platform went live. In just half a year, e-estate has built a strong foundation and a growing global community and a system that can continue to reward leadership, consistency, and real contribution. As of December 16th, we are proud to recognize the agents who have already stood out this month through their dedication, results, and impact on the e-estate ecosystem. And then they now went further to list the names of the agent. As you can see from there, my name is at the bottom there, Bright David. So I am super grateful and super happy to be one of the agents of the month for December. Right now, it doesn't end there. There is something attached to being agent of the month, and that is the super wonderful fantastic bonus. So for this December, each agent of the month will receive 100 EST backed by the house, a real tokenized property reflecting long-term value and confidence in the platform. This recognition is not just about numbers. It represents leadership, consistency, and meaningful contribution during a key growth phase of e-estate. As we move towards the end of the year, now is the time to set clear goals for the year ahead. The foundation is in place, the momentum is strong, and the next chapter belongs to those who plan, commit, and take action. This is brilliant. So I am super happy. And if you follow what they are saying here, the keywords there, and something to take home right from this video. I'm not just doing this video. There is something to take home from here. What they are saying, what was really impactful in this write-up is consistency, right? Consistency. They mentioned that about 2 times or 3 in this write-up. Consistency matters. And then the second one is taking action, commitment. So these key words, they are very important to me, and they are very important as well to my team members. So I am super duper happy for this, and I just want to thank everybody for making it happen, right? I want to thank the executives of e-estate, and I also want to thank my team, and I want to thank other leaders that are taking the same step towards making this platform great. Let's keep cracking on. Let's keep doing what we are doing. Okay, every little action, every single day helps towards your goals. If you don't perform any action on a daily basis that will steer you towards making money online, especially when you are in e-estate, then you are going to be stagnant. We don't want a team member to be stagnant. We don't want a community member to be stagnant. We want everybody to grow. Okay, so By you growing, it means you are purchasing more real estate, expanding your portfolio, and you are also becoming an agent, not just being a buyer, but also become an agent for you to be able to share the opportunity and learn more about e-estate. So guys, I just want to say thank you. Thank you to e-estate, thank you to my team, and thank you to everyone. God bless.